Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss short and structured question answers of lesson 8 history. Short answer question. Question number 1, mention any two methods adopted by Gandhiji. Right answer, non-violence and Swadeshi. Then the question 2, what is Satyagraha? How can it be observed? Mention any two local Satyagrahas led by Gandhiji. We will mark these three sub-questions on page number 149. Here is the answer on page number 149. Right hand side, last para, Satyagraha. The word Satya means truth and Agra means effort or force. Satyagraha therefore means the force born of truth. Then the question is asked, how can it be observed? Right answer, fasting and non-cooperation. Through this, we can see the Satyagraha. We can observe Satyagraha. Gandhiji remarked that Satyagraha meant a spiritual and moral force, a force of the soul. You will write this line also. Mention any two local Satyagraha led by Gandhiji. You will write the Champaran Satyagraha and the second, the Kheda Satyagraha. Next question number 3, name the leaders of the Khilafat movement. Mark this answer on page number 152. On page number 152, left hand side, first para, look at here, Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali. This is your answer number 3. Question number 4, why did Gandhiji invite the Khilafatis to join the non-cooperation movement? Mark this answer on page number 152. On page number 152, children, left hand side, second para, Gandhiji saw a rare chance from here till etc. Question number 5, who was Kemal Pasha? First we will mark this answer on page number 152. On page number 152, right hand side, under the heading Importance of Khilafat Movement, last third line, Mustafa Kemal Pasha abolished the post of Caliph or Khalifa. He tried to develop Turkey on secular lines. This is your answer number 5. In continuation of question 5th, what does the term Khalifa or Caliph means? Right answer, Khalifa or Caliph means was the religious head of the Muslims. Then question number 6, who and when formed the Swaraj Party? What was its main aim? Mark this answer on page number 155. Open page number 155, children. Right hand side, above the heading Civil Disobedience Movement. Second point, right hand side, formation of Swaraj Party. Swaraj Party was formed from here till British. This is your answer 6. And in between you will write Swaraj Party was formed by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das on March 1923, who were better known as Pro-Changers, from here till British. Question 7, define the term Swadeshi. We will mark this answer on page number 150. Question 8, mention any two factors leading to the non-cooperation movement. We will mark this answer also on page number 150. On page number 150, left hand side, under the point Swadeshi, the term Swadeshi means to use the indigenous goods, meaning the goods produced in India. This is your answer number 7, children. On the same page, right hand side, under the heading Non-Cooperation Movement, first point, Montague Chelmsford Reforms, the Government of India Act 1919. This is your answer number 8. First factor, and the second factor, the Rowlatt Act 1919. Only names you need to write in this answer number 8. Question number 9, mention any two reasons for launching the Civil Disobedience Movement. The answer is Anti-Simon Commission agitation and the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question number 10, why did Gandhiji decide to break the salt law? Mark this answer on page number 158. Gandhiji selected the salt law to be defied because salt tax affected all sections of the society, especially the poor. This is your answer number 10, children, on page number 158, left hand side, second line. Next question number 11, mention any two clauses of the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. We will mark this answer on page number 159. On page number 159, right hand side, At the bottom of the page, you can see Gandhi-Irwin Pact, this heading. Under this point, Lord Irwin agreed from here till Satyagrahis. This is your answer number 11. Next, question number 12. Mention any two impact of the civil disobedience movement. We will mark this answer on page number 161. You have to tell the impact of the civil disobedience movement. On page number 161, left hand side, top पे आप लोग देखिएगा, created political consciousness, made people understand the significance of the principles of the non-violence. This is your answer number 12. Next, question number 13. Point out the program of the civil disobedience movement. Mark this answer on page number 158. On page number 158, left hand side, under the heading the program of the movement, you all can write these points: the defiance of the SALT law, boycott of foreign goods, boycott of liquor, non-payment of land revenue. These 4 points is your answer number 13. Next, question number 14. Who was called Frontier Gandhi? Right answer, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And the last question, name 2 women who took part in the civil disobedience movement. Right answer, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu and Swarup Rani Nehru. Now, start structured questions. First, with reference to Gandhian path, explain the following. First is Satyagraha, B. Swadeshi, C. Ahimsa. We will mark these 3 answers 1A, B, C on page number 149 to 150. Firstly, mark answer 1A, Satyagraha on page number 149. Right hand side, last para, Satyagraha, full para. This is your answer 1A. Then turn the page, page number 150, 1B, left hand side, last para, Swadeshi, full para. This is your answer 1B. And above that, non-violence, 1C, full para. Next, question number 2, with reference to the backdrop of the non-cooperation movement, explain A. Rowlatt Act, B. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, C. The Khilafat movement. We will mark all these 3 answers 2A, B and C on page number 151. Open page number 151. First, we will mark 2A. Left hand side, point Rowlatt Act, full para. This is our answer 2A. And then 2B, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy in Amritsar from here till entire nation, till here. This is your answer 2B, children. And then on the same page, 2C, under the heading the Khilafat movement, right hand side, last para, Turkey entered the First World War. From here, turn the page till Maulana Shaukat Ali. This is your answer number 2C. Now, question number 3. In the context of the non-cooperation movement, explain the objective and program of the movement. Mark this answer on page number 153. On page number 153, you all can see the heading Objectives of the non-cooperation movement, program of the non-cooperation movement, positive, negative, both, till drinks, till here. From objective till drinks. Then 3B, fate of the Khilafat movement. We will mark this answer on page number 152. On page number 152, left hand side, second para, Gandhiji saw a rare chance of achieving Hindu-Muslim unity from here. Then right hand side, second line, Khilafat cause, till here. Then 3C, the reason for the withdrawal of the movement. Mark this answer on page number 154. On page number 154, you all can see the heading Withdrawal of the Movement, Chauri Chaura incident. You need to explain full. And then second para, Gandhiji's decision. Right hand side, second para, Gandhiji's decision to withdraw the movement in response to the violence of Chauri Chaura incident. Word you need to write here till here. This is your answer 3C. Now, question number 4. Briefly point out the impact of the non-cooperation movement. Mark this answer on page number 154. On page number 154, you all can see the heading Importance of the movement, right hand side. You all can see this heading Importance or Impact of the movement. Demonstrated the support of the mass, confidence among the people. Full you need to write. Then this question is of 10 marks, children, so you need to write long. Hindu-Muslim unity, promotion of social reforms, undermine the prestige of the British government, change in Congress character, concept of Swaraj, full, and then spread of nationalism, full. Till here, become its member. This is your answer number 4, till here. Question number 5, with reference to the reasons for the civil disobedience movement, answer A. How did the Simon Commission contribute to the launching of this movement? Mark this answer on page number 155. Open page number 155, children. Right hand side, last heading, reaction towards the Simon Commission. The Montague-Chelmsford reforms. From here, then turn the page. Till action. Till here. Question number 5b, state the significance of the Lahore Congress. Mark this answer on page number 157. On page number 157, you all can see the heading launch of the movement, left hand side, last line. Above this point, above this heading, you all can see this point, this para, demand for Purna Swaraj in Lahore session. Full para is your answer number 5th B. Next question number 5th C, who and why had been dissatisfied with the Nehru report? Mark this answer on page number 156. On page number 156, you all can see the heading Nehru report. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th line. Some of the recommendations made by the Nehru report. From here, come to the next page. Till complete independence. Till here. This is your answer number 5th C, children. Question number 6. In the context of the events and course of the civil disobedience movement, explain A. The Dandi March, B. Popular participation in the movement, C. Government policy of repression. We will mark these 3 answers one by one, starting from page number 157. Firstly, we will mark answer 6A on page number 157. Dandi March. From here, then turn the page. Till handful of salt. Till here, this is your answer 6A. Then mark answer 6B on page number 158. Full para, the course of the civil disobedience movement till imprisonment. Then mark answer 6C on page number 159. Suppression of the movement. Full para, the British government suppressed the movement till from here till salt water, till here. Now mark answer 7. What led to the withdrawal of the civil disobedience movement? Civil disobedience movement क्यों withdrawal हो जाता है? ऐसा क्या होता है? गांधी इरविन पैक्ट इज द आंसर. गांधी इरविन पैक्ट की वजह से गांधी और लॉर्ड इरविन के बीच में अग्रीमेंट होता है, जिसकी वजह से सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट स्टॉप हो जाता है. We will mark this answer on page number 159. Open page number 159. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, right hand side, last point. From here, then turn the page. Till to withdraw the civil disobedience movement, you need to write here. Till here. Question number 8. Briefly narrate the impact of the civil disobedience movement. Mark this answer on page number 161. Open page number 161, children. Mark this answer. Number 8. The civil disobedience movement had played an important role in the freedom of struggle. Its impact can be mentioned below. All the impacts you need to tell till the national movement, till here. This is your answer number 8, children. Next, question number 9. With reference to the civil disobedience movement, answer the following question. Identify the picture. You will write Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. This photo is of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Name the party founded by him. Write Khudai Khidmat Gar. Mention his contributions in the movement. इनके क्या contributions थे civil disobedience movement में? Mark this answer on page number 159. On page number 159, left hand side, see at the top of this page, left hand side, just above the heading suppression of the movement, this para in the northwest province. From here till land revenue, this is your answer 9th A. Next question 9th B. Point out the program of the civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement के पूरे प्रोग्राम के बारे में बताना है. Open page number 158. On page number 158, you all can see the heading, the program of the movement. From here you need to tell full this para, and then from here 159 page number, in the central province of Karnataka, from here till land revenue. If you want to add this point also, the course of the civil disobedience movement, if you want to make this answer little bit lengthy, you can add these points as well in the answer number 9th B. Last question of this chapter 9C, why did Gandhi ji renew the movement? Mark this answer on page number 160. Open page number 160, left hand side, see the heading, second round table conference. This full para is your answer, children, that why the Gandhi ji renewed this movement, because he returned India with an empty hand, with no fruitful discussion in second round table conference. That's why he is in a mood to relaunch the civil disobedience movement, क्योंकि कोई भी डिस्कशन नहीं होता है सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में. जो होता भी है डिस्कशन वो सब अपनी सीट्स के लिए होता है. कोई गवर्नमेंट कोई पॉलिटिकल एस्पेक्ट के लिए फ्रूटफुल डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहा था इंडिया के लिए. कोई पॉलिटिकल फ्यूचर के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा था. कोई इंडिपेंडेंस का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं था. तो दैट्स वाई गांधी जी रिटर्न टू इंडिया विदाउट एनी फ्रूटफुल डिस्कशन. दैट्स वाई Gandhi ji renewed this movement. So now the chapter is end. Write all the question answers on your history notebook. Thank you.